not much space here. Oops. Okay, it's empty in here too. Oh no, pack of screws.
I have the situation. For some time I've been hearing some strange noises.
Let's go into this direction. Okay, I hear a really loud noise and that sounds familiar. Oh, we have a fan here. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Can I grab in? Yeah. Oh, great. Just pull outside. Whoa. Great, a hole.
And recently I started to find water stains on the ceiling.
Let's first have a look at the chimney here. Maybe we find a hint why we have a water leak. Oh, there's a bucket. Water in there. No, it's empty. Okay. Oops, there's a hole. Needs isolation. Not enough space here. Grab in. It's a bit wet.
I am sure it is coming from the attic. The attic belongs to the community of owners in this building. I am one of them, and so I have access to it. Better be prepared. Who knows what awaits me up there?
Up here.
I need to find out what is happening up there.
So far so good. I know where the water leak is. It's directly here at the chimney. And I also know where the noise is coming from. It's coming from this wall there. There's a big fan. And now we have a look outside. Great. So back inside again. We found out about everything, so I'm happy. That's good. I guess the only thing I have to do now is to clean up my mess, and then we're done. In case you think video quality sucks in here, you're right. I think that too. That is so much fun. Really, really funny.